Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy homemade banana pudding ice cream. This recipe is super easy and perfect for those hot summer days. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll need ripe bananas, vanilla pudding mix, heavy whipping cream, vanilla wafers, vanilla extract, and sweetened condensed milk. First, you're going to peel your ripe bananas. You don't have to wait for them to be this brown, but the browner they are, the sweeter they taste. And once they're peeled, cut your bananas and set them aside in a small bowl. Now in a large mixing bowl, pour in your heavy whipping cream, your sweetened condensed milk, instant vanilla pudding mix, and whisk together until well combined. And be sure to add your vanilla extract and mix that in as well. Pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the mixture is thick and creamy. Now if you don't have a stand mixer with an ice cream attachment like the one in the video, don't worry because you can use a hand mixer and still get the same results. Once the ice cream is done churning, scrape all of the extra ice cream mixture from the paddle with a rubber spatula to get it all back into the bowl. Then add your bananas and fold them into the ice cream until evenly distributed. Next, you're going to take your vanilla wafers and crumble them into small pieces into the ice cream mixture and fold them in until it's evenly distributed. For this particular recipe, you can add as many vanilla wafers and bananas as you like. The more you add, the sweeter the ice cream will be. But don't be afraid to experiment and find a perfect balance of sweetness to suit your taste buds. Now you're going to transfer the ice cream to a freezer-safe container, and this part is optional, but you can add additional crumbled vanilla wafers on top. Make sure to use the rubber spatula to evenly spread the mixture in the bowl. Once you're done, cover the container with plastic wrap. This will help prevent ice crystals from forming, and use the top that came with the container for additional covering and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. And there you have it, creamy delicious banana pudding ice cream. Serve it up in a bowl or ice cream cone and garnish with additional crushed vanilla wafers if desired. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find a recipe in the video description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out delightcooking.com where you can find more delicious recipes to make at home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.